problem with condos? Why do they take so long to write?
I wasn't aware that they did. We can write a condo. It's on a HO6, and you just would submit it through the personal lines inbox. Shouldn't be too hard.
Condos are studs in, right? So if I paid $1 million for the condo, I'm really insuring the replacement cost studs in, correct? So it's probably the same way it was earlier. My reconstruction cost is probably not going to be the same as my purchase price, correct?
Yeah, for sure. And I mean, it depends on if you're talking for the condo owner or are you talking for like somebody that owns one of the individual condos. And
someone who owns the individual condo owner's policy for the
that's different,
for
right?
the association is going to be commercial, and that's going to be the whole building.
Right.
The liability, but if I buy a condo downtown and I've got to insure it, I'm going to have. I mean, the HO6 has liability, and then it's studs in and contents, right?
Correct. So yeah, it's not going to have as much of a dwelling limit because, like you said, it's just studs in. So yeah, it'd be
interior walls.
Yeah, it'd be some for the dwelling. You'll get some for the dwelling, but it's interior walls, sinks, and then of course your liability and your personal property and all of those types of things. So yeah, again, that can be quoted easily through Easy Links actually.
Nice. And they get the same discount when they get like the auto too. Most of the carriers.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Do the policy.
Again, try to get it all.
On your end, because you get to deal with this every day, what's the frustrating part that you're getting from agents?
So like whenever I have an agent send in a quote and it comes back, they're being shopped against State Farm or Farmers or somebody like that, and they're trying to beat a price. So we go back and we re-quote it 10 different ways. And if you really look at the bottom line, like we're cutting down on their coverage to save them $1. When in reality, if you sell them a cheaper product, you're going to lose every year because it's not going to stay the same year after year. We all know that. It's going to go up. And then next year when it goes up $7, well, you only beat the other carrier by $10. So you don't think if it's going to go up, they're going to be shopping you? They will. So if you can, that gets frustrating for us for sure. And it's like, if you can sell on the value of what you're offering your client, you are covering their most valuable assets. You're covering all of their, you're covering their assets because when you sell a liability and umbrella, it's protecting what's in their bank account. I mean, if you get into an accident, somebody comes after you personally, they're going to be broke. So really and truly, if you can sell based on the value, it's going to be better for you, it's going to be better for your client, and you're going to be less likely to lose your client every year.
Yeah, definitely. I like to look at the risk and then give the client options to transfer the risk.
Yep.
And if a client, I remember I had a personal lines client who had a bunch of dwelling policies, and he had it with this agent who had them on individual policies, and it was all spread out, and you had a policy fee on each one, and it was a pain.